Hi wig friends, welcome back to Vanish into Thin Hair. I am so glad that you're here and I am very excited to give you all the details about the wig that you see me wearing right now. This wig is from RPGSHOW. They've been creating these exclusively designed hair products for over 19 years. Let's talk about something that is very important in the wig world, especially in the human hair wig world, and that's that the seller of the wig accurately represents the color and the wig on their website compared to what you will get when you open the box at your own home. I have to say, RPGSHOW did a great job on that. Here is a picture of the wig on their website, and here is me wearing the wig right after I received it. I put on a similar colored shirt to try to give an accurate representation of what the color looks like. They did a really good job, you guys. I mean, the color is as close as you could get. I have received wigs from other places where, there was a lot of give and take on if it actually was represented correctly or not. That is not the case here. I think they did a fantastic job. This wig is 180 density. You can see how easily the hair just falls as I hold it up. It's absolutely lightweight and super, super soft. Absolutely gorgeous. Continuing on, taking a look at this wig in different lighting situations, we are now upstairs, and this is a warm lighting situation. The natural lighting in this room is way over on the other side of the room. So this is what that color looks like in a warmer lighting. Still absolutely gorgeous. The ash tones don't show up quite as much in this lighting, but it brings a depth to the color that I absolutely love. Now I am standing with my front door open and north-facing light coming in on the wig. There is a look at that color in this lighting. Absolutely beautiful. I think it looks stunning in this lighting. And we are headed for the sunshine, and we're gonna answer another question that I get asked, which is, can you wear glasses with your wigs? Absolutely. Just slide them right on and go about your day. Now let's go find that sunshine I talked about. Okay, this is direct, bright sunlight, no natural lighting, no shade. Here is a look at the color outside. Beautiful sunny day with a little bit of a breeze, but you can see how beautiful that color is in this lighting as well. Heading back inside, and wanted to stop in one of my favorite spots to show the really, really true color of a wig. This is outside, sunny day, covered porch, so no direct lighting, but all natural lighting all around. Look at how beautiful that is. Absolutely gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. And this lighting, I think, shows the absolute true color of the wig. So it's one of my favorite spots to show. Hope you guys have enjoyed this in-depth review of my human hair wig from RPGSHOW.